seem to be living in a very different world now. The world where normal day-to-day life suddenly changed. Office work is now work from home, classes are conducted on virtual screens, and socializing is now social distancing. For some, it has been a very relaxing time, but for doctors, cleaning workers, and police, it has been all about hard work and saving people's lives. The way things have changed in the past few months were rapid and captivating.
Now, everything has become slowed down. Roads are deserted, people are inside their houses, traveling has become the precarious, social distancing becomes the buzzword. No dining out, no movie date. Work from home has become an inevitability and virtual connection has become a new normal.
We become more mindful for our basic hygiene, condition, and sanitization around us. Washing hands regularly and washing everything that came from outside, including yourself, is something that we consequently follow.
Life is a vicious cycle of balancing our personal and professional lives, and we are perpetually exhausted. Spending time with our family, watching a movie together, having meals together, reading a book, or just sitting back and relaxing is perhaps the new way of coping up with the fast moving life during this pandemic. This is a phase of transition. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes we ask ourselves, will this world be back to normal ever again? Yes, this too shall pass, and it will teach us a lot of things and change the way we look at life.
In the atmosphere of coronavirus worldwide, many things changed. One of them was the way we used to greet people by shaking hands or by hugging them. But now it has been seen that the majority of people follow the traditional Indian way, Namaste, by folding their hands so that there is no fear of getting infected.
The arrival of COVID-19 pandemic has changed everyone's life, and the same thing happened in tribal areas too.
Juhar, I am Yashraj Singh and I will tell you how the tribal life got affected because of the coronavirus pandemic.
During the lockdown, economic activities suffered. Many people lost their livelihood. Tribal migrant laborers returned back to their villages on their foot from distant places like Surat, Bangalore, Mumbai, etc. Their arrival brought fear of a disease about which they have never heard, never seen, and never experienced. The returnees didn't have the facility to be home quarantined, as traditional tribal huts have only one room. Hospital facilities are totally absent in these villages. But these hardships were taken as a challenge by the hard-working tribals. The panchayats of these villages blocked the roads to restrict the contact with the outside world. Government schools were being used as quarantine centers. All the workforce of village got concentrated on agriculture and cottage-based industries, hence village economy started flourishing again. Many youngsters who were staying in cities for education or job purposes returned back, and they started teaching computer and other technologies to the tribal people and children. And they also started making people aware about several issues like the COVID norms, personal hygiene, balanced diet, etc. Villagers innovated new ways to tackle the COVID spread and do their work simultaneously. And the new normal here is the villagers and tribals are aware like never before.
The best part is that people have realized the importance of other people. Their cooperation can do anything. So I request you all also, please help those who need your help. Not me,